Hey guys, today we got a unique piece here. This is a SpaceKap by Fiberback. It's a slide-in unit, a contractor style unit that fits the all full-size trucks with the short beds, 6.5, 6.4, 6.5, and 6.7, 6.9 for the Ford Super Duties and stuff. So all full-size truck beds. This fits that. All full-size short beds, I should say. It's white in color. It's in good shape. Nothing real major on this. It's like I said, it's white. Doesn't have a lot of scratches and scuffs. It's kind of a gel coat white, so it doesn't really have paint on it. Looks good down through here. Paint looks good there. Really no, and down here, here's the paint. It's, you know, it's not all scuffed up. It's in good shape down underneath here. Of course, this is down below the bed rail. We're not going to see it anyways, but it's not all banged up from sliding in and out of truck beds. Door opens up here. Allows access to the shelves on the inside. So this has the double shelves in there, like so. Back up here so you can kind of get a, there you go. Has like a rubber finished, you know, shelf flooring type thing. Looks like it had an alarm on here at one point in time, I'm sure. Excuse me. I'm sure it probably doesn't work anymore, but you could probably make it work, or at least have some of the parts to get it done. Door lock shuts down here, secures like so. Latches like that. The inside or the front, spare fiberglass. Got a little bit of a, no, that's just dirt, not even a scratch. Okay, that's just dirt. It's actually in really good shape. This just doesn't have much abuse on it at all. The side looks really good. And through here looks good. No damage on here at all that I can see on the bottom. Excuse me. Where the where it goes down in the truck bed rails. Looks good. No scratches and damage under there either. This side looks good. No scratches or anything on the sides. This one opens up as well. Allows access into the inside shelves. Oh, looks like it has a power cord there, so it probably had a power inverter or something that mounted here. I think there's some wiring for something that mounted there. So I would guess there was a power inverter mounted right there and had an extension cord that ran through like so. Looks like on this side there is also same type of switches, which I would say is probably for the alarm. On this side as well. Door shut, it seals down, or locks up like that, and then there you go. Double doors on the back. It's what they call a compact. It's like it had some strobe lights in it. I don't know if they work. We don't technically check. We don't check the lighting and any of the 12-volt stuff on here. So if it works, it's a bonus for you. Looks like it has a strobe beacon on the top as well. A little bit of rust stains right there, but probably had something that was set in here that might have rusted a little bit down there. Had a sticker here. That's just adhesive. Had a sticker here. That's just adhesive from the sticker. Really, like I said, all in all, this is in really good shape. It's like, so door opens up like so. Has a shelf inside there, little bin to put stuff back in here like so. This side has a handle, there we go, opens up. This side, a little bin on this side as well. This has a slide out drawer inside here. So this is a drawer that fits into the bed. Slide out, pull this knob here, and then this pulls out all the way out. And it has another framework that pulls out from up there as well. And this pulls out 100% so that you can access the whole rack, or the whole platform, like so. And the inside's pretty clean, really nothing going on in there either. Then you push on the knob, little red knob, you push that in, that allows that to go up, forward, and push in. There it goes. Push it all the way, and then it latches inside there like so. This is the mechanism that locks it in on your truck bed. Let's go in through under there and latches those brackets there like so. This is the lever to do the ladder rack there, and then this is the alarm system. Don't know anything about it. This has a lot of wires going to it. But let's close this door here. Take this handle. This handle slides in right there. That locks in there. Now this allows this to flip down like so. There we go. And then you can hang your ladder there on the side without having to lift that up on the top. You can hang your ladder, it's right here. And then when that closes, this will latch down and hold that ladder on there. And then when you get the ladder in there, you take this, you flip this back up like so. That will hit the this little lever, little pod right there that flips that up on top of your ladder, locks that all in, and you're ready to go. Same on this side. This side works the same way. We'll do it real quick. Latches on there like so. Flips out like so. A little less involved in detail because you already seen it work once. There it is. This has a, probably a, not really sure what that is. Has something to do with the ladder, I'm sure. Then that flips back up like so. Latches down. And then there you go. Then the rod to work the ladder rack goes back in there. Sets back there like so. Or, honestly, I would just set it right there, like so. Door latches in the back. Like so. This one shuts, and then you can just latch that like that. So there it is, the SpaceKap Compak by Fiberback. Fits the all full-size trucks for the most part, except for some of the newer Tundras, with the 6.5, or basically 6'4", 6'5", 6'7", and 6'9" beds, the short bed trucks. I mean, they call it 6.5, but it fits them all. One size fits all type on these. Now this one is, oh sorry, this one has a installation kit. So this installation kit that we have here, which we'll throw in there if you need it, fits the 07 to 13 Chevy GMC trucks with the 6.5 foot bed. If you got something different than that, you'll need to order an installation kit, or we can order an installation kit for you to fit your specific truck. But this one fits the 07 to 13 body style. And then there's the wiring harness for the truck as well, to run for the cap, I should say, for the cap there, and that plugs into that wire down there. But anyway, that's that in a nutshell. Short bed, full-size truck, short bed, 6.5 foot short bed type beds, all full size. Below is a link to this unit on our website, so you can click that link, see which location it is, see how much it is, purchase it online, make arrangements to pick it up. That can all be done from that link there. It's also a link to our website in general, so if you're just looking for cap repair parts, clamps, tapes, seals, locks, bed storage solutions, ladder racks, lift kits, those are all available on our website as well. So you can just click that link, type in the search bar what you're looking for, and we'll get it shipped out to you right away. If you're looking for something specific for your truck, a certain cap style, brand, model, bed size, color, what have you, we upload our used inventory to YouTube and our website as soon as inventory comes in. So you want to hit the subscribe button to stay up to date on inventory as it gets here. As with all our truck caps, this is local pickup only. We do not ship these. I need to make arrangements to pick these up at one of our locations. Thanks for watching.